And I'm Charlie.
And you're watching Hannah and Charlie's Adventures.
I want to give a quick shout out to Charlie, who did Haul the Holly on the Hallmark Channel. She's Pamela's daughter. Go and check it out before it's too late.
In this episode, we're going to do paper flowers.
I know, sounds crazy, but it's awesome.
It also contains science, so you'll be learning while you're doing an arts and crafts project. It's very nice. So, we should get started.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah! Oh, wait, we should probably do this.
Okay.
One sheet of paper means one flower. You need to punch them through biggest to smallest to make a flower. So now we want to spice up the flowers, don't we, Charlotte?
Yes.
Well, Charlie, same thing. So you just need the white crayon to make a cool outline and add the marker onto it, because the crayon saves it from the dye that is actually coloring the whole flower. So then you can add little cool marks, whatever you want. Be creative.
I'm a dog.
They're just like, I'm a dog when I'm singing.
I'm a dog. Okay, so now that we have colored the tips of our flowers, we are ready to put them in. Okay, so you put the smallest one on the tip first. You slide it on there real good. And you keep going from the smallest to the biggest until you have a flower. Now that I have all my petals right there, I'm going to stick it through there. Okay, so now that I have my little flower there, now you can arrange your petals any way you'd like.
Yep. I like doing mine before.
Just an FYI, this kit comes with a color mixing guide. Each number represents 1 drop of dye. So if you want green, you will do 12 drops of blue and 8 drops of yellow. For the best results, you want a total of 20 drops of dye.
So now we're going to fill this with water and pour it through the little sides. There's a little prevent hole right there.
Or you could just pour it inside and it'll go cleanly through.
We'll do this middle one first.
You're doing yellow.
Do the yellow. 20 drops.
Up.
I think
Can you see it going up?
Now spread the whole thing. It's pretty fast too.
All colored.
I think I added too much water.
I need yellow. Green. Yay, it's starting. Oh, I love the top part, but it's just,
Yeah.
I am speed.
That was a weird sound.
Looks like a galaxy right there.
Oh, it does. That looks so cool.
Very satisfying. That's a
14
nice.
drops of yellow.
That's nice. Satisfying color.
Now I need the water.
Oops, sorry. I can fill it up for you. Looks really pretty. It's like a blossom. Whoa. Green stem.
Yay, we actually have a green stem over here.
I imagine if it starts flying. The heck?
Yeah, purple's my favorite flower, so this was gonna be amazing.
Whoa, look at this one.
Oh, that's so cool.
This one's getting really cool. This one too.
Mm-hmm. For watching, guys, and comment down below what your favorite flower was. Hannah, personally, I like this flower.
For me, I love this because it looks like watermelon, and the watermelon is delicious.
Yeah, that's my favorite of yours. This is my favorite of mine. And
My favorite's this one. I love purple.
I hope that you guys try this out because this was totally a thumbs up, y'all.
Yeah, we
I
all-
love this.
We all loved it.
All right, so thank you for watching, and make sure to like
And subscribe.
and follow us on Instagram at Hannah and Charlie. Bye.